Hello friends, welcome back! Today, we're diving into the world of art with a twist. Get your coloring pens ready because we're going to turn this rounded poppet toy into a masterpiece. Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Okay, with your trusty black marker, draw a big circle. Now, let's give it a bit of depth to make it look 3D. Use a scale to divide this circle into 6 equal parts. Begin creating those satisfying pop points.
Wow!
In the first section, draw 3 small circles. Then in the second section, add 5 small circles. Continue this pattern with 6 circles in the third and fourth sections. Five in the fifth, and 3 in the last. Our puppet drawing is taking shape. Now, let's give those outlines a bold and sharp touch using your black marker. Fantastic! Now, it's time to splash some color. Grab your color pens and let's dive into coloring. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Sea green color. Golden color.
Awesome!
Well done! Congratulations on creating your very own vibrant circle-shaped poppet toy. You've truly mastered the art of drawing and coloring. Keep up the fantastic work, little artists. Stay tuned for more fun and creative adventures on Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing creations. Until next time, keep drawing and exploring your colorful world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.